Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Jersey Pilch. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. How awesome is this filter? It's a super simple animation sequence combined with a person segmentation and some colour change effects, but the overall result is flawless. There are lots of masks and meshes on this profile, as well as some more complex game designs that make use of multiple assets and patch interactions. While a lot of the concepts themselves are pretty basic, the execution is so well done and there's some serious attention to detail with the lighting and other minor elements that bring additional depth to every filter, even if it's similar to others that you may have seen elsewhere. I'm genuinely excited to see where this guy goes next, because he's obviously mastered the basics, whether it's modeling 3D elements or using the patch editor and JavaScript to create more complex logic setups. Jersey Pilch is an account you should definitely be following. Also, subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Filt.ar. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. A lot of the effects on this profile are pretty simple, making use of mesh textures and 3D objects tracked onto the eyes and head, but the variety of the designs give each filter its own character. The masks all have a painterly quality, blending pastel colours with different lighting setups to produce rainbows and space-themed visuals. There's a time traveler filter with a well-crafted 3D model of a helmet and different backgrounds, as well as a cool animated transition that makes use of lightning to help tell the story of the effect. I also really like the influencer filter, which tracks an Instagram profile onto the face and applies the camera texture over every post with different orientations. As this creator progresses, it's clear they're trying to introduce more storytelling elements to their effects, so if you want to check these out for yourself, go follow Filt.ar on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Flamingo Filter. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. You'll find some really awesome effects on this profile, making extensive use of 3D models tracked onto the face, but also in world space like the Film Festival and Monaco Grand Prix filters that have entire scenes built around the user's avatar and show some of the ways AR can be used to create fully immersive experiences for the people interacting with them. The models themselves are of a high quality and include features like colour changing that are easily accomplished but add even more depth and creativity that adds to the reusability of the filters. There's a zombie face mesh with animated lightning and even a Star Wars themed Space Invaders style game with particularly detailed assets. There's no consistency from one filter to the next, but the creator's skill is apparent, and browsing through their page, you're sure to find something that you can have fun playing around with. Follow Flamingo Filter on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Tejabu09. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. I like how playful the filters on this profile are. There are a few meme effects like the flying maths and the dancing doges, but there are meshes too, making use of 2D and 3D elements to create cool masks and models that interact with the user, like the emoji wrapped around the head or the RC Cola face replacement. Delay frame and slit scan are used to highlight some of the features in Spark AR that have been trending lately, and there's a cool rainbow outline that looks like it might be animated in some way as the colours seem to fluctuate while using it. My favourite effect is the sticker pack, which shows a model tracked to the face with multiple camera textures while using the front facing camera, but when switched to the back facing camera, the user can place each sticker in world space, which is a really interesting way of taking a real world object and turning it into an interactive experience. Follow Tejabu09 on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Kuzma. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. The filters on this profile are pretty random, but there's some fun stuff that makes good use of camera textures and multiple instances of the face mesh. Particle effects coming from the mouth and 3D objects like colour changing hearts suggest some experimentation with the core features of Spark AR. The llama with glasses and human features is pretty funny, and the Pokemon card filters are great. One replaces the image on the card with the user's face, and the other is an object tracker that brings Charizard to life with footage from the animated series.
I've seen filters that make use of similar ideas, and this is definitely something that could be expanded to include other collectibles and bring some of those inanimate trading cards to life. I mean, it's just cool to see, am I right? There's a fun, nerdy spirit to this account, and it's very playful, so I highly recommend checking it out. Go follow Kuzma on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Paramonovkos. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. This creator is very creative. There are many well-designed effects to be found here, with all sorts of complicated models and mechanics that require a clear artistic vision combined with an intuitive understanding of how all the pieces will fit together. 3D models combined with detailed 2D graphics, animated sequences for both face-tracked filters and more complex mini-games. One filter will have a cyberpunk sci-fi aesthetic, and the next will be a puzzle that requires you to reassemble your face after all the pieces fracture and fly around the screen. Object trackers that bring real-world objects like coffee cups or train tickets to life, and particle fire that shoots out from a rocket flying into space. This is one of those profiles where I'm likely to spend a lot of time rewatching the previews and playing around to try and figure out exactly what's happening behind the scenes of each filter. Check out Paramonovkos and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Don Eleni. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. So this guy is a former teacher who worked at DreamWorks Animation Studios, and I first heard about his work when he made an appearance in a video released by Corridor Digital, helping VFX artist Ren understand the fundamentals of Spark AR so he could create his own face filter. There's a lot of technical skill involved with many of his effects, and he even live streams the creative process on Instagram, so you can get a behind the scenes look at how everything you see in the final product is pieced together. Recently he's been dropping a lot of NFTs in collaboration with brands like Universal Studios, so filters may have taken a back seat, but there's more than enough content on his profile to be entertained by, but also to learn from, whether you're just getting started or trying to improve your own workflow. Don is an educator who really knows what he's doing, so check out his page, follow him on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Gowar Official. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. I get some real surreal sci-fi vibes scrolling through the filters on this profile, especially with the warped reflective bubble mask and the worm trailing its way across the cosmos that's just plain trippy. The use of colours are interesting, and the way some elements in certain effects have a liquid quality to the way they move suggests to me that there's a little bit more happening under the hood than just your basic patch interactions. The flying graduation cap with an animated sequence, sun segmentation and transition from graphic background to a landing position on the head demonstrates a significant attention to detail, and the final result is awesome. Effects that might appear easy to replicate are created with some serious attention to detail, and it shows in the quality of each filter. Check out Gowar Official on Instagram, give him a follow, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is David Prepas. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. A lot of the filters on this page feel very alien. There's one that features 3D models of humanoid figures, but the texturing is super metallic and the poses are a little crazy. Another named Alternate Dimension retextures everything in a way that reminds me of the view that Predator sees in the movie Predator. Not quite heat vision, but still pretty strange. There's even one that turns a corridor into a horror nightmare, with creepy figures crawling towards the camera along the walls. The filter I'm most familiar with, which I actually found years ago and never associated with this creator, is the Dancing Baby, which is a reference to the meme of the same name, and I think it uses the same model with a transparent glass texture. There are loads more effects to check out here, and I can tell this guy will end up designing some pretty out there AR experiences in the future. Follow David Prepas on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Bruno B93. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. This account uses a lot of the effects in Spark AR that warp the camera. delay frame and slit scan, duplication with multiple layers of the same camera texture, and even one that mimics being underwater with ripples, bubbles, and a slight blue tint. There's a Daft Punk filter made for Two Faces that's pretty cool, and an infinite mirror that reminds me of the White Stripes' Seven Nation Army music video. The Mona Lisa face replacement is a fun meme, and the fire effect on the hand, although recently added as a default template in the software, was actually there before they included it, so I'm impressed with how much detail was accomplished manually. I'd consider this profile to be in the category of special effects, as many of the filters make use of distortion and morphing what's already there in unique and interesting ways. If you like what you see, follow BrunoB93 on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.